My name is Liu Lim. I'm inventor of this Vielight devices. I don't want to go to talk anymore about how terrible Alzheimer's disease is. You all know about it. But I want to touch a little about the options available. Most of you probably know that medications don't really work to reverse Alzheimer's. And the bad news is, even in the pipeline, there's 2 drugs for hype recently. The best they can do is to somewhat slow down the decline but not arrest it. So what options do we have? Now I'd like to introduce you to the science of photobiomodulation, delivering light, the photons into the body or brain to stimulate healing. And how do we know that it works? And we found that actually in labs, animal study is found to actually reverse the biomarkers of Alzheimer's as well as improving the cognitive performance of rats. But then what about the evidence? So this was a study that was published just last month by University of California, San Francisco, demonstrating that if you have persistent light energy in the brain, you can actually create new neurons. So, but how then you get into something usable? Now, how come you don't see it? And the reason is because a lot of these lab equipment are not really applicable for everyday use. But we have now translated it into a wearable device. And so we started with the intranasal, which actually delivers photons to the brain. And on the right, you see a study that was published in May by researchers to show that it can penetrate quite deep into the brain. Then we went further to develop transcranial to direct to the hubs of the brain, which then actually activate the whole brain, transcranial version. Now, does it work? So we published, actually we presented some evidence last year of case studies. These are some of the Alzheimer's patients responding, but we want to go further. So we just started and we are in the middle of a pilot study now of a randomized placebo-controlled study. And you can see on the top 2 rows of subjects responding. Up to this stage, 9 subjects, and they are all responding. And then the 10 subjects are generally not responding. So I'll leave you with these facts. Thank you very much.